Alright guys, gonna go for a little ride. Some of my buds here. That's my old Harley Road King there. Like I said, go through my phases. Well, today was supposed to be in the 60s. Of course, it's 44 degrees. We had all planned on taking this ride today, so just bundle up a little bit. It's alright. It's the Yamaha Warrior. This thing's freaking loud. He's also got a R1. It's decked out. It's pretty sweet. Yosh exhaust and all that jazz. Gotta love riding, man. See a lot of videos, people talking about sport bike riders versus Harley riders, everything else. There's no versus in my book, man. Bike in front of me used to be mine. Now I got the Yamaha FZ8. Everybody just rides together. It's all about good times on two wheels. Good people, good friends. If you guys don't ride, I tell you what, you are missing out on one of the best feelings on the face of the planet. So today's ride, there's only a couple of us. There's a couple more guys that gonna show up today, but couldn't make it. But the guy who bought the Harley from me here, good friend of mine, getting ready to move this next week, sadly away from us, so just doing a last little ride with him. We're gonna head out to the shoreline and eat a little bit of lunch and ride around a little bit today. This guy doing the sign flipping thing, not really flipping it. Some of those dudes are freaking pretty crazy with that stuff. Just throw their music on and start getting nuts with it. Tell you what, I hate those grates on bridges. Well, not all bridges, some of the bridges. Just makes your bike wobbly, especially when there's long pieces of it. Cars always want to slam on their brakes. It's almost like driving on black ice. Fresh clams, fresh clams.
Have you been narrating this trip?
I talked a little bit. I'm gonna throw it up.
I want to see the video.
Oh yeah.
Where are you putting it?
I got a YouTube channel.
Oh, you do now?
Yeah. Just go to YouTube. It's Dark Knight, like my username on the other one. VLOG, Dark Knight Vlog.
Dark Knight what?
Vlog.
Vlog?
No, V, Vlog.
Oh, okay.
What an asshole. Fucking dick. This van likes to slam on their fucking brakes, man. They just keep like mash or break, mash or break. Glad that van turned off. Turd burglar. Too fast, too furious. Of course, now he wants to get right over in front. Sit there and grab his freaking tuna can. Fresh clams, fresh clams.